In this video, I'd like to discuss the Vehicle Graphic Installation product. This product is used whenever adding graphics to a vehicle. If we're looking at the product with an estimate within Sirius, underneath the Service Installation and Warranty, you'll see Vehicle Graphic Installation. In this product, if you're using this product coming from a child, such as you've already done the graphic part of it and you're pulling this in, a lot of the information will default. First we have the installation location, the make of the vehicle, model, and wrap style will all default from the parent if one is used. Now on the Vehicle Graphic Install product, first choose your vehicle, whether you're installing on the windows as well, the wrap area, a price for each. Now this is because we're using a fixed pricing method based off of this vehicle type. If we were using a different vehicle type, we could manually overwrite this or put in a time-based function, such as my travel time, install time, and removal time to give me a price. Once we have this information tied in, then you have your quantity for outsource information, such as if you're outsourcing this graphic install to a graphic installer. Now, different vehicles, of course, may be set up under different methods, whether it is a fixed price or cost-based pricing. May all vary based off of that vehicle. If you have any further questions about the vehicle graphic installation, please review our other videos or contact the Sirius Implementation Department. Thank you.